I have already made this circle, so I'm going to do the workings on this circle. So now I'm going to insert my crochet needle on any stitches on the last row and insert the green one. Okay. Now going to make 1, 2, 3 chains and 1 double crochet on the same stitch, 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet on the same stitch, another double crochet on the same stitch. Now I am going to skip 1, 2 to these 2 stitches and start with the third stitches, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet on the same stitch, total 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Now 1 chain and again 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Again 1, 2, skip to these 2 stitches and on the third stitch going to do the workings, 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 1 chain and again 2 double crochets on the same stitch. It's going to be like this. The last stitch, going to do it on. On this third chain, I am going to make a slip stitch. Finish it off. This is how it's going to be. Okay. Now cut this yarn and secure it. Now I'm going to do the workings into this space. On this double crochet, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and on this double crochet, 1 single crochet here. Right? Now 1, 2, 3 chains, turn the work, double crochet, going to make on this chain 1 space. Okay. 1, 2, 3 double crochets here. Okay, total number of double crochets is 4. Now I'm going to do the workings here in these lines, chain 1 space, right? Again I'm going to turn the work and do the workings here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, double crochets. Right? 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. I'm going to make 1 slip slip stitch on this first. One single crochet on this second double crochet, one, two, three chains and slip stitch here. Again, one single crochet on the next double crochet, one, two, three chains and slip stitch onto this. One single crochet, slip stitch and crochet here, one chain and one single crochet here. start